You've released one of the best free synth apps on the market, given the source code for that app to developers for free and watched them create many award-winning apps with it. You've had the bonkers idea to release a collection of limited edition music creation apps that's turned out to be one of the slickest marketing moves of the year, and had your apps featured on iPads in every Apple store in the US. What next? Well, if you're AudioKit Pro, what's next involves collaborating with two platinum-selling producers to create the finest classic piano emulation on the App Store. Hey, it's Patrick and welcome to the GarageBand Guide, where we're all about helping you master GarageBand and improve your music. With tutorials, tips, gear reviews, and the lowdown on the latest apps releasing. Apps like this. This is House Mark 1, a silky smooth vintage piano app from the team at AudioKit Pro and renowned producers Kennard, Garrett and Henny the Bizness. As a side note, if you're creating music on iOS, then Henny has an excellent YouTube channel that you should definitely subscribe to. So finish watching this video and go and show the man some love. The story behind the development of this app is quite extraordinary. Kennard and Henny are both educators at the Ray Charles Performing Arts Centre in Atlanta and have spent the last year using AudioKit's open source platform to help teach their students. They've taken all that knowledge and experience and, with AudioKit's help, have created House Mark 1. I'll put a link to the full story down in the description for you to check out. But enough of that, you're probably far more interested in how House Mark 1 sounds. Spoiler alert, it's really bloody good. Control-wise, Garrett, Henny and the team at AudioKit have went out of their way to streamline things and keep everything as simple as possible while giving you enough control to craft some unique and usable sounds. You have a master volume knob on the left here and tremolo controls next to it. Further along are controls for the stereo phaser. And on the right here are key noise controls. If you tap more at the top, you'll switch over to another bank of controls. On the left are auto pan controls. You can control the release value of your notes here. And you have fine control over the tuning of the app with this knob. You can adjust Housemarque 1's excellent built-in reverb effect here. And you can turn on a stereo widening effect with this switch. Worth noting as well is the drastic differences in sound you can get by adjusting the velocity control, especially if you're playing the on-screen keys. Along the middle, you have even more controls that allow you to change things like the number of keys on screen, the colour of those keys, and assign different effects to your mod wheels. If all that sounds too much like hard work, AudioKit have jammed in 16 presets for you to get to grips with, many of them sculpted by other big-name producers, as well as some in there from iOS YouTuber Brendan Rico and friend of the channel, Marcus Manderson, aka The Fingers. Available on both iPad and iPhone, you can use Housemarque 1 in standalone mode or load it up into your DAW of choice as an AUV3 plugin. Look, you can probably tell that I really like this app. It's going to sound fantastic on pretty much any track you slap it onto, and it's just so damn playable that you'll likely lose hours of your life creating killer vibes with this thing. Highly recommended. Get it fast though, as it's currently at an intro price, with all proceeds going to the music unit of the Creative and Performing Arts Division at Morehouse College in Atlanta, inspiring the next generation of musicians, artists, and coders. Good stuff. If you're in the mood to check out even more fantastic apps, then give this playlist a click. It'll take you to my App of the Week playlist, where you'll find over 8 months worth of amazing apps to dive into. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.